Hello! You're obviously interested in Box Clever Business, so let us show you how it works. Any new or emerging commercial enterprise needs to decide upon its legal structure. Box Clever Business provides an informative, engaging and enjoyable approach to learning that is suitable for use in a wide variety of settings, and comes with easy-to-use instructions. Box Clever Business could be any business. It could be a retail outlet. It could be a catering service. It could be a landscape gardening business. Or it could be an accountancy firm. The first thing they needed to decide was whether they wanted to be incorporated with limited liability or unincorporated with unlimited liability. Let us consider that they first decide to look at the incorporated legal structure route. There are four main types of incorporation: limited liability partnership, limited company, mutual or registered society, and a community interest company, and the teacher, lecturer or trainer will explain each one in turn. The next thing the business will need to decide is their type of company or organisation. If they've chosen to be a limited liability partnership, the type of company they would consider becoming will be this. If they have chosen to be this, the type of company would be this, and so forth around the sides, and the teacher, lecturer or trainer will explain each in turn. And the process continues from their governing and legal documents, to business ownership, to registration. The teacher, lecturer or trainer will naturally explain that this is a long process, but that this is worthwhile as they will have the benefit of the security of limited liability. And so, to recap, you decide on your form of incorporation, then the type of company or organisation, the governing and legal documents, the business ownership, and finally, the registration. And to recap further, if you are incorporated as this, your type of company or organisation will be this: your governing and legal documents here, your business ownership, and your registration here. And to recap further, your form of incorporation here, your type of company or organisation here, your governing and legal documents here, your business ownership here, and your registration is here. If they decide to take the unincorporated unlimited liability route, again, there are four main types of unincorporation. Using the colour coding, the teacher, lecturer or trainer will guide you through the process from unincorporation to registration. The benefit of this teaching resource is that the teacher, lecturers, trainers or community development staff can decide on the depth of information that they wish to present, making it suitable for all ages and abilities. It also has the asset of embracing 6 different learning styles, making it a very informative and very engaging learning experience for all. Box Clever Business is also available as Box Clever Enterprise, showing social enterprise or community business legal structures. Do you box clever?